Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the After Effects time. We will be making this effect. Start with a new composition. I'm making for a college one. So I'm going to write college. 1920 by 180, 30 frame rates, 10 seconds duration. And type whatever text you like. I'm typing my college. Align to the center, change the font according to your need. I'm using a random one, and I will increase the size as well a little. I'm going with a simpler one. I think that's it. Then go to the properties of the text, click on animate, choose opacity. Here you need to make the opacity to 0. Open the range selector and click on stopwatch on start and go to 3 frame rates and change the opacity to 100%. You will have an effect like this. So slowly the text is appearing. And choose blur. Actually you have to get here animated to as your workplace. So click on the layer and click on blur again. You will find the animator tool here in range selector. Click on the first frame rate and click on start stopwatch. Go to 3 frame rates per second. Make it 100. Here you can see that we have a blur effect with our text included. Select both the stopwatches and move them a little forward so that the shadow comes after the text, like that, and it's looking much prettier. I will give a blur shade to it to make it more better. So make the blur to 23, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and here's the result of a blur effect to a text. You can make this for anything you like, and you can use it to anywhere you want, and this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.